Hi, I'm Neil Oseman. Welcome to my cinematic lighting course. We're going to be looking at the how and the why of dramatic lighting so that you can make informed decisions about dramatically lighting your own film productions. We're going to be actually setting up and shooting a scene right here, right now. Get to see all the decisions I make as I make them, and then the finished little scene. It's really important to try and shoot your wide at the time when it's going to be best for the natural light. Blocking the action so your master shot is towards your light source, which is your windows, and then enhancing and defining that light. Setting a top light using unbleached Mars bounce, reinforcing practicals with little hidden LEDs. A lot of it is about backlight, establishing that moonlight position, and then it's finding some other source of light to supplement that so things aren't a complete silhouette. And then cut. That looked great.